Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra and today I'm gonna share with you how I did my tassel tree. If you want to see this video and how it's turned out, come on, let's get started. We will need a photo frame, thick paper, yarn, black marker, sharp scissors and a glue gun. Let's start from making tassels. I use my phone as a guide, but you can use anything. I flipped the yarn approximately 30 times. Make sure your knots are tight. To make the tassel neat and tidy, turn it over to place the knot inside of the tassel. Try to make small tassel's head, otherwise it won't look proportional after trimming the excess yarn. Use a dot of glue to secure the knots and to fix the loose tiebacks together. Straighten your tassel before cutting out the excess yarn. For this tree, we will need 10 tassels. Have fun! Glue it together and add the trunk. Insert it in your favorite photo frame and ta-da! You've nailed it! Or actually, you glued. The yarn that I've used is a Patons 100% cotton. It's 4mm thick. It means it's a thin one. I've bought it at Hobbycraft. I couldn't find any color name, but if I will find it, I'll put it down in the description. Please let me know if you liked it. I'm waiting for your thumbs up and subscriptions. See you at next one. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this DIY tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. If you already subscribed, big thank you and see you next one. Bye!